Okay, today I want to explain you how to make or find out template for Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's take a look. Okay, the first time I want to find over here free template of PPT. PPT it means PowerPoint. Research. Okay, maybe this. We wait for it. Okay, maybe we just find the free one, free like this. Maybe I think yes. We click this. Okay, abstract polygonal space PowerPoint template. Maybe awesome. And we scroll into down, and then we have click button over here. Click here to okay, we click it. Over here, this is the file of template of your choosing. A little bit more names. Okay, done. And then we find this file using this, click and open in folder. We click it, close this. Takes long. Why? Come on, go on. Okay. Research. Download. Here. This. Okay, this is our download file. We rename. Right click. Rename to your name. There is rename of here. Okay, we got over here 7 of washing hand. Okay, we double click it means we open. Yeah, we got this is you can erase or change this free template. Usually the first is your name, and then you can delete this, click and delete in your keyboard. Click the top of this, delete, click. And next one, this is second step to wash your hand. We can move. Yeah, I will delete it. Okay. And you can change this whatever that property you. And then the next one we find animation pictures over here. We using Google, and we I want to search washing hand with water dot gif, because we want to search the gif file. Forget gif here. Okay, and then you click picture, or in bahasa ini gambar. Okay, I think this, we click, and then we wait for, okay, this is okay. Click, right click, and copy image or salin gambar. We can put over here, maybe over here. Control V. We will contacting the server for the information. Okay. How to operate this image? We can select show this image using this. That is picture animation or GIF file. Okay, we press X button in the left right your keyboard. We change this to step 1. We can delete and forget, click and delete. Sorry. Step 1. Wet your hands and apply enough soap. Select Control V. Yep. Okay, we can, this option keep search formatting, it means or keep text only. Keep text only. Can move over there and delete this. Okay, make bigger this. This is step 1 until 7. You make like me and send in to me. And don't forget, you should download first your template and then change your background. Don't forget, write down your name and then play with animation. Don't forget animation like this, like this, whatever the animation. Unfortunately, using Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, and I have Microsoft Point 2016, because our audience on plenty of you using Microsoft Point 2007, so I use 2007. Okay, that's all. How to find these pictures give picture, and then we find the template. Okay, that's all the simple PowerPoint of free template and animation GIF or picture GIF we find in Google, in the internet. See you next time. Bye bye.